Well, again, everyone, this is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and what you see there is my latest battery build with Apexium batteries. And I just got in 16 of the 314s here just the other day, and I just want to tell you a little story here because usually I order my batteries from Apexium from their Texas warehouse, but and I wanted 314s, and they said they had some 314s in stock, but when I went to order them, they said somebody reserved every bit of them, and they were all sold out. And they said all they had were 304s left. So I said, okay, well, I'll take the 304s then. So I go down to the bank, do a wire transfer, get back to the house, look at my email, and tell him I sent the money. And then he sends me back an email, sorry, we sold the 304s out too. So I said, okay, well, what do I do now? I already sent you the money. He said, well, I'll tell you what. We'll ship you 314s, and you'll get them there in 30 days. Well, let me tell you, I've had some batteries shipped before in the past, and that can sometimes take like 3 months to get your batteries. So when he said 30 days, I said, thinking to myself, yeah, right. We'll see about that. So anyways, here it is. It's exactly 1 month and 1 week later. These batteries show up at my door and shock the hell out of me because I certainly wasn't expecting them that quick. So I wanted to give Apexium a big thumbs up because they delivered on their promise of delivering the batteries. Well, actually, they got here to shore in 30 days, and the rest of the time it took from getting to shore to here. So anyways, I'm a happy camper, and next time you need some batteries, even if you got to ship them, it's 30 days really isn't too long a wait. Well, 30 days and a week. So, but even still, that's not too bad a wait there. So, and it's for excellent quality batteries. These are A+ batteries. So I just wanted to pass that information along to y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.